Ascendant agad. Unang first game.
Ascendant yung kalaban namin. mga mala A-card na dollars yan.
Find you. No peeking. Enemy spotted A.
Marked one.
Spike down A.
What? Paano ko nabombahan doon? Naabot na. 56 on raise. Nasa ano ko yung short? Dalawa.
Target sighted A.
Tipin na rin. Paano ko nabombahan
Drop
ng
in a
raise na yun?
smoke.
May isa nasa
Spike planted.
Gago, naglalag ako.
Drop in a smoke.
ba meron dyan sa loob.
Last player standing.
Nice. Hindi ko alam paano ko nabombahan nun. Hindi ko napansin nagbomba siya.
I'll crash their Cypress network.
Saan niyo ba binato?
Hindi ko alam kuya, nagutan ako bilang may pumutok doon sa shower. Hindi ko na makitang nanggaling.
Dito ka no? Dito ka
Oh, kasi galing siyang short eh. Oo, kaya natawa paano niya ako nabomba doon. Saan niya pinabanda?
Kasi kasama
At pumasok sa...
Kayong kan eh.
Oo, okay.
Race tsaka yung
Kaya tatak.
Take hold. No peeking.
Spike planted. Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Ascendant na yun? Let's go!
May bulldog doon sa akin. Sa garden.
Yabak.
Back in it.
Let's go.
Gimme. Kayo. I accidentally drop yung bulldog. Thanks.
Ma-pride din eh no? Pag
Oh, pag 1v1 eh.
pag isa na playtime.
Serious face on.
Mayabang ascendant eh.
No peeking.
Mark 2.
We'll catch them.
Knife deployed.
Drop in a smoke. Right here. Fire in the hole!
Two showers.
planted. Last player standing.
Sayang. Nakabundle pala yun.
Oo.
Mukhang race ang magiging problema natin dito.
Ang galing magbatang yung skill eh.
Sa kanan niya na. Hindi na narinig.
Dreams are a funny thing. One little twist, and I'm stuck.
Ang galing ng race nila. Tsaka itong kan, feeling ko yung brim din. Mag-i-start ako. Timing na lang.
Viper, I can drop you. Viper.
Anyone have funds to spare? They are mine. Need a drop. Thanks. Watch this! Multiple enemies B.
Ganda naman yung wall ng Viper. May ganun pala.
Dropping smokes. Enemy spotted.
Deploy. Two suppressed.
Flashing.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
Ano yun? Ano yung ganyan sa akin?
Defuse the spike. They shake your life. Thank you.
Shake your life. King kill. Nag-wait ako sa...
Grabe yung whip.
bridge.
Grabe yung whip ko sa bridge. Tatlong knife, hindi tumama din na nakatingin.
Saan ka...
My
got your
ult is
back.
ready. Just
Elbow.
from the front.
Kating nga na ako doon.
Oo nga, wala ako nabawas. Tatlong knife, nakatayo lang siya literal.
Guardian siguro ako.
Where are they? Enemy spotted A.
Drop
Bridge
in a
low,
smoke.
1 HP.
Sa shower.
No peeking.
My ultimate is ready.
Back like I never left.
My ult is ready. Nightmare, take them!
Spike planted.
Stay down. Not ready.
One shot, one shot.
One enemy remaining.
On my mark.
Huwag yung ascend.
Thank you.
Loko-loko yung con yun.
Try again.
Yung brim. Dito. Mali ako ng weapon. Dapat nag-shotgun na ako.
Win. Show me where to go. Could I have a draw?
I can buy
Thank you.
for you.
Thanks.
Anyone have funds to spare? Thank you.
May line up yung Viper. Mula dyan. Ito.
Right here.
Sa default.
Nga ano, kabilaan. Galing ah. Wow. Ang baba ng crosser ko. Eat for the race.
Dropping smokes. I'm refreshing.
May isa pang hook ako ya. May napasok na.
Enemy spotted.
One down. Toxin screen down.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
Mark one.
Nice. Mag-coms kayo para magandang laro.
Save the day.
My priority is their suffering.
Ito.
Help.
May line up din.
Oh,
Pa-off ka, kuya.
Could have a drop.
Need a drop.
Here.
Thanks.
Here.
Right here.
thank you, thank you.
Can you shoot Dizzy?
Enemy killed. Enemy spotted. Enemy A.
Drop in a smoke.
Mas mo siya.
Blinding clear.
What? Ano yun? Andun pala siya na siya short galing. Bobo ko naman, hindi ko nakita yan. Nakatayo lang ako.
Spike planted. One enemy
One shower,
remaining.
one shower. Last guy.
Flash.
Last player standing.
Wow. Na 1v3.
One downside to being immortal. Need a drop.
Sayang.
I can't play dead.
Try ko dapat yung ko na yun eh. Cyber na yun.
Nakakuha siya momentum dun. Mali yung ginawa ng Viper dun, nagtakbo-takbo siya, rinig siya. Tapos yung Kai-O dapat hindi na lang niya, hinayaan niya na lang, total di naman kita dun. Hinayaan niya tumawid dapat.
Tsaka bala ko sana mag-smoke eh, pagkapatay ko eh.
Mali rin ako dun, tala ko ano.
My ult is ready.
Nag-pull up ba siya?
Ah, okay. Binabay.
Dropping smokes. Party's on.
Spike down B.
Reloading.
We have bomb. Party. Mag- kita yung sa smoke, kaya niyang tawiran.
Target sighted B.
Dalawang hoka, isang ano,
Reloaded.
main. Wag siya mag-ulti.
30 seconds left.
Mali na.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Mali yung ulti ng Fade. Wow, malaman pwesto mo.
Where are you?
10 seconds left. Spike planted.
Sobrang mali yung ginawa ng Fade as in.
Kaya,
Nasa likod na siya, hindi niya din na lang niya diniretso, tapos
Purpose.
nag-ulti pa siya. Alam naman na yung location ng dalawa. Sayang.
nakapasok na pala yung squad, yung Brim. Kala ko andun pa siya sa con. Dito sa garden. Kaya nagulat ako na doon siya sa loob. Pinik ko na kasi
I'll find their cipher.
naglalag na naman. Tapos ng sping.
Sayang.
No peeking.
Watch this.
Isa lang dito yung baril.
Off your feet!
No peeking.
Spike down A.
Cancelled.
One enemy remaining.
Refreshing. Can I trade my powers in for invincibility? Much
Everyone's
prefer
got questions,
that.
okay?
My ult is
Any
ready.
Let's get
funds
tired.
there? Thank you.
Ascendant na yun? 3-9?
There.
Sabi si Ino, nang bubagbog ng Ascendant.
Sana.
Charlie Mike, let's move.
Yung Gecko kaya na pa yung ulti. Dali.
Spike down A.
Spike is ahead.
May na...
Like
One
I
enemy
never
remaining.
left. Think I'll stay? You made a mess of yourself.
Grabe.
Sana. True.
You know, I could just outlive them.
Sakto na.
Nah, bullets are quicker.
Huwag natin bigyan ng chance ang ascendant uminit. Baka ibang klase pag uminit.
Kaya nga.
Mag-ult yung race din pa entry. Careful race, Hasul.
Drop in a smoke.
Nice. Fun naman. Nice.
Spike down
Reload.
B.
Spike spotted B.
No peeking.
I know exactly.
Sorry, not sorry.
Nagawa na ito. Sige, kaya punta ka doon. Malamang yung may hawak
Drop
ng
in a
bomba.
smoke.
Dalawa.
Spike planted.
Saan yung isa?
Para atang dyan.
Fire in the hole!
Short.
One enemy remaining.
Dito sa box. Sa'yo?
Sa'yo ko yan, nag-TP ako.
Sige, sige.
No Radiant for you, wee man.
Grabe, nice retake.
Last round in the half.
Spend everything. Hoarding money is useless now.
Sige, meron din ako kaya.
My ult is ready. Reloading. Who needs a buy?
Half armor lang yung mga yan. Walang anong mga yan.
No peeking.
Parang makakaisa ka
Wait
pa.
lang sila.
Enemy spotted B.
I'll find you. Here, catch.
Bridge killed. Enemy down.
Baka yung kuha natin yung malakas. Viper.
One enemy remaining.
Drop in a smoke.
Flawless.
Now this one pleases me.
Mare, take them.
Switching sides.
Grabe na yung Viper natin. Batak.
I feel
Yeah.
bad for them. I really
Grabe
do.
rin siya.
Just not enough to stop winning.
Pero syempre, batak yung Five bit sa Ascendant Cloud. Ascendant.
Sana true. Malas ng Ascendant, immortal yung tutok na kalaban niya. Kala mo talaga yan.
Wala yun.
Kala mo true. Parang gusto ko mag-ano.
No stopping now.
Enzi. Dapat
Shutting them down.
kayo dito sa shower.
Where are you? Marked one. Dropping
Ako
smoke.
pa napatay niya. 90 on raise. One tap na lang yung raise eh. Ako pa napatay niya. Meron din sa lamps. Isa.
Suppressing.
Meron na papunta sa city.
There.
Pwede na ata kayo mag-A.
Nice, nice.
Wait lang kuya.
Spike
Iyan.
down B.
Buy time mo kuya.
30 seconds left.
Tingnan ko kuya baka may raise sa likod.
Last player standing.
Enemy spotted B.
One enemy remaining.
50-50.
I have the spike.
10 seconds left.
Nice.
If you want something done right,
Ganda ng ginawa
do
niyo.
it yourself.
Their teeth will chatter in the cold and dark.
Gusto ko mag-bundle na.
Their fears betray them.
Wala tayo sa shower.
Sige kita. Pagulat.
Lolo ko yun.
Dropping smokes. Down you go. Bring them down.
Put down.
Spike planted.
Evan.
Target sighted A. Grenade out.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
Here.
Yeah.
Suppressing. One suppressed.
Flawless.
Heaven siya kayo na kuya. Nagulat ako dun sa race. Ba't na nag-whip siya? Tsaka classic lang gamit niya. Yung shotgun yun, warak ako dun. Ang ganda ng animation ng Ghost na bundle ah.
Ghost na.
Nilalagyan ng silence. Ito kayo.
Ay,
Yung bago.
Oo. So,
Nilalagyan ng silencer.
di mo ba gagamitin?
Sige lang kayo.
Oo.
Kuya pasama.
Sige.
Low na yun.
Enemy spotted A.
Find you.
Low na yun. Siguro mga dalawang tap ko siya 80.
Shutting them down. Two suppressed.
Dropping smokes. Them down. Take hold. There.
Flag it.
Up one of these.
Reloading.
Spike down A.
18 Cypher.
Enemy down.
Dalawang drill.
Remaining.
Get some sleep.
Nice.
My ultimate is ready.
Snack time.
Nag-spray lang.
Barb.
Nag-spray dun.
Only brought enough for me.
Sayang. Nag-whip ako sa Cypher. Body lang.
Sorry.
Tara nga kuya sa loob.
Left ka pa. Wala nga pa.
Bring them down.
No.
Where are you? Plant the spike.
What? Wala ko nabawa sa kanila.
Bring them down. Catch them. My ult is ready.
PTP.
Spike planted.
Nakakuha ng bundle na guys.
One enemy remaining.
Ikaw kaya classic.
Match
Ako
point.
Aris.
This is it. Their courage falters.
Ayaw mag-request ng kayo ah. Kala ko di mag-request. Saan nga kaya shower tayo? Lapag mo yung bigay mo ng spec yan.
Hindi pa di.
Pipik yung ano eh, praise.
My ult's ready. Reloading. Dropping smokes. Reloading.
Spike down A.
Pinaliguan.
Last player standing.
Oo eh, taranta ako kung gagawin ko.
Not ready yet.
Nakakaba pa naman ganyan. Natira ka magsatas bot fragger ka. Camera ba?
Cat deployed. Two suppressed.
Who to smother first?
Anyone feeling generous? Teşekkürler. Thank you.
Sana lang. Tapos Ascendant Lobby pala itong nalaro natin kuya, no? Makakalakampin natin mga diamond. Mga diamond Ascendant.
I love this part.
Pinaliguan mataas. Kaya napag sa atin.
Watch this. Bring them down.
Nabot pa.
Nabot ko pa.
They're blind with fear.
Hintayin natin ko yung Viper makakuha ng ano na lord. Ay sayang. TP sana tayo eh.
Reloading.
Flash.
Fall back.
TP ako.
Naglalag ako.
Target sighted.
There.
TP ako.
Dropping smokes. Where are you?
30 seconds left.
Spike planted.
Wave ako. Nag-wave ako.
My ult is ready.
Last player standing.
Like I never left.
One enemy remaining.
Ako mauna ko yan. Wala akong buhay. Heaven ako tingin.
Dito sa lamps.
Wala kuya.
Sure. Back.
Lamps na.
That was
GG's.
Attackers win.
Too easy.
Nice, nice. Magandang first game.
Sit down, ascendant. Yabang eh. Kaya talaga.
Ascend sit.
Sense.
Sit down. Mukhang matataas yung rank nung... Pero yung race mataas din rank neto previous. May tutok din yung race eh.